In this video, I'm going to be giving you a full flip through at the new 2022 and undated portrait planners. This is the black and white theme, very minimal, and we also have this earthy color palette, which you can see all throughout the planner, but it is also very minimal. So the only difference between these two is the color scheme. So let's go ahead and go back to our cover. And you are able to swap out these covers. These planners do come with over 15 cover options, and I do show you how to do all of that in your purchase videos. So let's go ahead and open up the planners. So this little pen tool is going to take us to our dashboard. Now, what I love about these portrait planners is that they are very simple, and these are only monthly and weekly linked. Now you do get to choose your weekly default weekly view. This example comes with this weekly option, but you do get, let me go ahead and show you the weekly options that come, and they are default. You don't have to duplicate or paste over. You do get to choose which weekly option you want. So we have this weekly option with a little checklist on the side. We have the hourly ones from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And then we have this one. So you do get to choose which one you'd like when you are downloading. And all of these bottom right corners are going to take you to your corresponding weekly view. And if you would like to add a daily page, the daily pages are not linked, but you can also go to your dashboard, go to your extra pages, grab your daily add-on. And what I can do is just select it, copy it, and you can insert it wherever it is that you would like to daily plan. That way the links are not overwhelming. So let's just say this week I want to daily plan on the 7th. I would add the page after and I can paste the page. Then I have this would be February the 7th. And let's just say for February 8th, I'm also in the mood to daily plan. I can just come up here and do current template. So I can do the daily add-ons as an add as you go kind of mode. And everything I'm doing is the exact same for the earthy tones planner. You can just kind of see the only difference is the color scheme. These planners do come in Sunday start, Monday start, undated and undated, and then with those 3 default weekly views. In every monthly view, you do have a little pencil that takes you to the notepad for the month, kind of a place to brain dump, grocery list, whatever it is you like to do. And then you have this little book that takes you to those monthly reflections, and every month kind of comes with that. Now here in your dashboard, you do have your year at a glance. This one does come dated because I'm in the dated version, and then you can also tap on the months to go to your corresponding month. Then you have your master to-do list, you have a goals sheet, and then you have 3 blank tabs that can be used to insert anything you'd like. So let's just say that I would like for this to be my budgeting tab. I can label it, I'm not sure if it's double T. I'm going a little blank here. And then I can tap here and insert all my budgeting inserts, which I have a bunch of tutorials on how to do that. And we can play around with these 3 tabs. And then over here in the bottom, we also have 15 blank tabs that can be used for class notes or meetings or grocery list or anything essentially that you would like them to be. And you can duplicate these pages as many times as you'd like, and you can kind of label your dashboard. In your extra pages, you do get a blank page, line paper, graph paper, dotted, Cornell paper, daily add-on, and your meeting template. And then towards the end, kind of a little hidden thing, you do have those 3 weekly views. Just in case you need them or you want to add them somewhere, you do get them at the end if you decide to just use another one aside from your default planning weekly view. Now, I did want to show you something. I did want to show you the sticker book because the sticker book goes perfect with this planner. So you do get the sticker book and all of these color schemes, and you can kind of see you get it in green, pink, orange, yellow, purple, blue, white, and cream. And you can kind of add these anywhere inside your planner, and it will make your planner pop. Just in case you are going for that minimal view, you can still add whatever it is that you need. And what I love also about this planner, since it is a portrait planner, is that you can make it fit your whole page if you have your iPad in a portrait view. I don't recommend using this planner in a landscape, because for that we do have landscape planners in the shop. So this is also a very minimal planner that is a monthly and weekly linked, and you can add your dailies in between. Very simple for anybody who is just looking for a planner that doesn't have so many links like our other life and faith planners and dashboard planners. But this would be the perfect one for you if you're looking for something simple, easy to use, and if you would just like, also the earthy tones are just my top favorite right now. Hope you enjoyed this video.